4 of those balls. No. I need 4 balls. That's bad. 30x. $88. Heck yes. Wow, that's huge. Okay, I'll keep playing. I want 4 of those balls. Alright guys, I will come back if I get those 4 balls. Thank you for watching. Please leave a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and leave a comment if you like. Have a great day. I won free games again. Let's go. That was an amazing win. Let's get those 4 balls in here. One more. Oh. Come on. Oh. That was bad. I want those 4 balls. Alright, I will come back if I get any bonus. Alright, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Alright guys, I got down to 102. Let's go. I got the boosted bonus. See if I can get it back. Come on, anything. Give me something in the 3x. Anything. Okay, 750 is good. Anything in those 3x's. Come on. Anything. 250 is good. Come on, anything. Go. Something here. Last spin. Okay. Got here. Not bad. $31. Let's go. Big win. more. Wait, 2 more spins. Last spin. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Alright, move to another machine. Let's go. Come on, give me 4 of those D's. Give me 4 of those. 1 more. Oh. Yes. Got 5 of them. Let's go. No 3X, only 2X, but I'll take it. Dragon. Come on, I'll take that grand. Oh, I saw it. Come on. Okay. Alright guys, I will come back if anything else. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Alright, I got down to 132 and I got the feature. Let's go. Check out Mega. Come back if anything else. Thank you for watching. Alright, I got the bonus. Let's go. 1 more. Yes, let's go. Bonus for the bonus. Guys, I started with 100. Alright, I'll come back if I get anything else. Thank you for watching. Alright, I'm not even kidding. I got this back to back. Let's get those. Let's get those 4 balls. One more. Yes. This is a hot machine. Alright, I will come back if I get another bonus. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Alright guys, I moved over to another machine and I got the bonus. Let's go, see if it hits anything. Yes, right off the bat. I put 100 in.